Welcome to Design Feed's video tutorial on how to create a concept in graphic design. In this tutorial, we'll be discussing the importance of starting with a concept before you kick off a design project, and also the process and techniques designers use to create concepts. So why is a concept important? A concept is the foundation of any design project. It sets the tone and direction for the entire project. Without a strong concept, a design project can quickly become unfocused and ineffective. A well-defined concept not only helps to guide the design process, but also helps ensure that the end result is cohesive and communicates the desired message effectively. A few examples of design concepts behind famous logo designs include Nike. The famous swoosh logo for Nike was designed by Carolyn Davidson in 1971. The concept behind the design was to create a logo that conveyed motion and speed to reflect Nike's focus on athletic footwear. Apple. The iconic Apple logo with a bite taken out of it was designed by Rob Janoff in 1977. The concept behind the design was to create a simple, memorable logo that conveyed the idea of a byte, as in a unit of digital information, and reflected Apple's focus on technology. Coca-Cola. The Coca-Cola logo, designed in 1887, features a distinctive script font and a red and white color scheme. The concept behind the design was to create a logo that was easily recognizable and conveyed the idea of refreshment and enjoyment. FedEx. The FedEx logo, designed by Lyndon Leader in 1994, features the company name in a bold, sans-serif font with an arrow hidden in the negative space between the E and the X. The concept behind the design was to convey the idea of speed and efficiency, with a hidden arrow suggesting forward motion. Now let's see the process for coming up with a great design concept. Step 1. Research. The first step in developing a concept is to research. Start by gathering information about the project, the client, the target audience, the competitors, and any other relevant information. This research will help inform the concept and ensure that it's relevant to the project and the audience. Step 2. Brainstorming. Once you've gathered all the necessary information, it's time to start brainstorming. Start by writing down any ideas that come to mind, even if they seem silly or impractical. This is the time to be creative and explore all possibilities. Step 3. Refining the concept. Once you have a list of ideas, it's time to start refining the concept. Look for common themes and ideas that stand out. Think of metaphors that align with those themes, as they will help you to start thinking of how to represent those ideas visually. Step 4. Sketching. With the concept starting to take shape, it's time to sketch. Sketching is an important part of the design process, as it helps to visualize the concept and explore different possibilities beyond the cliches and literal representations. Don't worry about creating perfect sketches. The goal is to get ideas down on paper and start to see what works and what doesn't. Remember to think metaphorically. Step 5. Feedback. Once you have a few sketches that you're happy with, it's time to get feedback. Share your sketches with colleagues, friends, and your client. This feedback can help to identify any potential issues with the clarity of your concept and provide valuable insights that can help to refine and improve the effectiveness of your design. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial and that you've learned something new. Check out our other videos for more in-depth design knowledge. If you haven't already, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more design feeds. Thanks for watching.